Bhagwan Sri Ganesh Maharaj ki.
Jai.
I have told a lot of things about Lord Ganesh. Again, I will just summarize in a nutshell. Lord Ganpati represents first quality with big ears. Just be a good listener. First thing, be a good listener. Second thing, by big head, big brain, whatever you are hearing, just try to analyze, scrutinize through brain, then only let something go out. Then third factor, this telescopic eyes, watch everything very minutely, because if you are not very watchful about your activities, then nonsense things may happen to you. Even a small bacteria can kill you. So, to be very telescopic, think about all our actions at all the three levels: man, vachan, karm, mind, tongue, physical body, in all aspects. So we should be very telescopic, analyzing everything, giving due respect to our parents, and at the same time, I told you about that mind is being represented by that mouse. It should be always kept under control so that it doesn't do wrong things. Because mind is the most important culprit which takes you here and there, always keeps you wondering. So these different qualities I explained, even more things I explained in previous talks. Today I am just going to summarize it. To be happy with Ganesh, we should behave as he behaves. And Devam Bhutva Devam Yaje, this formula you should always try to say many times in the day. How to live with divinity? We should go on repeating these quotes. Devam Bhutva Devam Yaje. Actually, you should put all these things, make printed stickers, give it to others also, and you keep it on your table, in your room, everywhere, so that you can just visualize more and more time. Devam Bhutva Devam Yajet. It means being like a deity, we should pray the deity. Not being opposite to deity to pray the deity. When we go to temple, normally it is supposed that we should be with bath, with good habits, right? But I will not say that it's very cold season and you go and have a bath, because immediately then you have to go to hospital. Always apply your common sense. Bath means cleaning most perfectly from inside, but even outside cleaning is also essential. That's why in mantra it comes, Saha Bhaya Abhyantara Suchi. Inside and outside both become Pavitra. Bas just by taking name of Lord Vishnu. Or you take the name of any Lord. Just by taking name you become purified. Okay? You take few drops of water in your hand, pray that Ganga is in that water. It will work as Ganga, then sprinkle little bit. It works as bath. These are all substitutes. Right? Don't always follow this. Even in hot season you say, I have taken bath. These are all bypass depending upon the need. So go work as per the deity's requirements. You should eat like food what he eats. If you are praying any deity with sattvic bhav, then you should be, all food items with you should be always sattvic in nature. That's why we say don't go for this onion and garlic things. Of course, they are very important from Ayurveda point of view. If you are suffering with some disease and doctor or Vaid recommend that you should take some garlic, then you go for that garlic. Right? Because you are combination of spirituality plus physical body also, many things also. So somewhere as a medicine you have to take some. You are non-drinker, you are very spiritual, but doctor recommends some cough syrup, there is some liquor in that, then what to do? And just, oh, I cannot take because alcohol is in that. Follow that. Don't do it. Because then you are not taking as alcohol, you are taking as medicine. So these things you should try to understand. Then coming to Ganesh again, Ganesh loves three colors, red, green and yellow. Yellow he loves as a guru, because Ganesh is guru to all gurus, right? And yellow with guru and Mars planet red, Mercury green. So you can put these cloths on asan, keep a good asan, always face in northeast direction, because this is the only direction which pulls you peace and prosperity, north-east. With other directions also you can pull wealth, especially with west. But there are other techniques. But with this you should try to face north and east, and so that Ganesh pulls a lot of things for you. Okay? Then offer him sweets daily because he loves sweet. Maybe modak, maybe anything, even cube also, sugar cubes. 4 piece, 1 piece, whatever you can offer. Flowers. Keep always your puja room clean as much as possible. Don't let clutters accumulate in your house and in your puja room. Especially kitchen and puja room should be always, as much possible, try to keep them clean, neat and tidy. So with Ganesh, put some idol. Never keep very big idols of Ganesh in your house because this damages. As per scriptures, you should keep idols only up to this much of size, not more than this, for worship. So these other things become just a showpiece. And if Ganesh is kept as showpiece, he makes complete house as showpiece. This is my personal experience. And at all, if suppose you are having, then give some garland around them. Sometimes you just go for praying them. Because today when I was just contacting Ganesh, he said, I appeared on the earth in infinite forms, from small to big. But now with all my forms, I am inside ocean, submerged everything. I went away, removed obstacles from my devotees' houses, whatever I could, whatever they deserved, because you will just say, whatever he could means, Guruji, he could not do all, he can do all. But he or any deity will do only depending upon your deservance. So, he went with a smile, walking, with a flute playing tune, blessing everybody, all devotees. He appeared in very furious form, and that furious form means destruction at very large scale. When Ganesh appears in this form, it means lot of natural calamities are going to happen. We just observe it will happen. So when we go with Ganesh, particular type of color, get a mantra from Guru and chant that mantra as much as possible. At least 4 times you should do one Purascharan of Ganesh mantra, of one particular month. Suppose for example, Om Gang Ganpataye Namah, this is 1 month. 1 Purascharan means 1.25 lakh chanting. At least 4 Purascharan should be done. In any Purascharan, home is a compulsory part. But suppose you cannot do home, then in that case you should recite 25% extra of that month. Very clear. If home is possible, do it. If not possible, then do 25% extra chanting. Then Marjan, Tarpan as guided by Guru, and do some Ganesh Astuti in your house in the morning whenever you get time. Before starting any work, pray Ganesh. In the morning, get up, go and take blessing from sun. I have very clearly told, when just being on the bed itself, mentally pray to Guru, that Guruji, please guide me throughout the day and night, every moment, so that my every step goes in a proper direction. So move with that intention, go to the kitchen after washing your feet, everything. Don't enter kitchen in a dirty pose, because kitchen is the main source of supply of energy to deities and to your family. If something wrong is being cooked in your house, right, with negativities, then definitely your complete house will be gradually going on disturbed. जैसा खाए अन्न वैसा होवे मन. The variety or the quality of the food grain which you are eating, your mind becomes according to that. So always take care. There are many dosas in our food habits. One is drishti dos, aspas dos, and nature dos. So try to understand all these things gradually. Don't worry. Ganesh is there, I am there. But always try to chant Ganpati mantras as much as possible along with your deity's mantra and your Guru mantra. Again, remember one thing, mantras are something very high as given by God. In Ramayana, Tulsidas is very clearly mentioning the importance of mantra. Mantra Mahamani Bitab Byal ke, Metat Kathin ko Ank Bhal ke. When the question comes how to chant destiny, Bhal means this, forehead. It's supposed to be destiny, written on that. So Tulsidas is saying, Metat Kathin, metat means to remove. clear it off. Ku ang, whatever bad things are written, bad destiny, bhal ke, by mantra. Mantra Mahamani bit of byal ke. So, very important is given to mantras everywhere. And you know, when you see the serials, Ramayana, Mahabharata, all these, only deities work with mantra. One will call Brahmas, Praktya, Brahmas comes and does the work. But you will say, Guruji, I chanted mantra many times, but it didn't work, Guruji. It will never work in one day. Because with every chanting, something negative from your past is going up. Suppose today we were talking about Ganga Snan. 1,000 times in the past we have abused Ganga, and we just go and take one dip. Of course, he will remove, but some tendency will be still there. Again, it will accumulate. So never worry, whatever scriptures say, they are true. Once I asked my Guruji, it's a very good example. There was one sadhana given by my Guruji, Apsara sadhana. You know all Apsara? I don't know what they are called in English. Beautiful woman? Not only woman. With something very powerful. They can give you money also and other things. Apsara gives you money. And when we talk in Sanskrit, Apsara means up means water. Right? The way the water flows gradually, either on the lake or in the river, slow movement of water, right? Apsarat say Apsara. The way it moves with peace in your life, with all freshness in your life, if some beauty is there, along with money, right? Then your life is very good. Apsaras may be your very good friends. When we talk of Apsara, we don't mean that you have to go on physical enjoyment. Remember, be warned always. Never think of ladies for physical enjoyment, otherwise you will be definitely pulled to hell. Then you can't protect yourself. It's very alarming thing. So, Guruji gave one mantra. He told that during night you have to all to chant this mantra, and by the morning Apsara will appear, and you have to keep two these rose garlands with you. One you will put around her neck, one around your neck. Then she will be always with you, protecting, helping, and guiding you. There were about more than 150 devotees sitting throughout night, Apsara in the morning. I was also in that. And morning 5:30, nothing appeared. So we all became blank. And next Saturday there was sadhana, so nobody turned up. The way people sometimes come in large number, then next time nobody is there. I was all alone in the next sadhana. I thought, what happened? Nobody is coming today. Then after some time they met me here and there. Hey, Apsara didn't work, so now we are not coming to sadhana. And then Guruji came after a few months. Then all came. I asked Guruji, they are not joining sadhana now because you know Apsara did not appear. He started laughing. He said, see, the system given is correct, mantra is correct. But this mantra applies to those students who have passed post-graduation in sadhana. Apsara will not come with a beginner. You are not a Vishnu, that once you call, she will come. So if you want really to call, develop for many years, one day she will come. So have faith. What we talk, just now we talk, Vishnu Padu Kampitva, go on taking that. Right? Gradually, one day it will make miracles. But don't think that only one day I will go somewhere and all will happen. It's not like that. So with Ganesh, continue with prayers. Do give respect to him. Panchadev Puja should be done in our house. And try to visit as much as possible temples about Ganeshji whenever you get any time, anywhere. Be always in touch with Guru. Take his blessings. Take those mantras also which the higher level I have told, but nobody asked even, to become very rich, affluent in life in every sense. These mantras work, and you should be really very lovable to God. Try to love God. Don't lose your faith ever in God and Guru and in mantra and in scriptures. They definitely work, but takes time. So I bless you all on behalf of Ganeshji. And always remember, Ganeshji removes vignas, he creates vigna. Okay? Don't force him to create vignas in your life. This is only your actions which make him to send beginner to you. And this is only your action which makes him to remove your beginner obstacles. Clear? So be always okay with dating. Love them, be loved by them. All my blessings to all of you.